Welcome to the Solo Life. Today we're talking about the vision. You remember the vision? What do you want to achieve in your life, in your personal life, in your job, as a person? Who do you want to be? What's your vision? What's your destination? You need to know that. If you don't know that, just like this boat, you won't know if you're sailing that way or that way or that way, or you're just staying there without ever moving. So, how do you create your destination? First thing, you need to know your values. What are your values? What drives you? What makes you go left or right? For every yes, what do you say no to? Or for every no, what are you saying yes to? Your destination or your vision is the life you want to live. And it's not just achieving things, it's how do you want to feel? How do you want to feel today, tomorrow, in 6 months, in a year, in 5 years, in 10 years? It's the whole package. And that's what you have to work on. And the first thing to do that is working on finding what are your core values. Your core values, we'll see them in another videos, but basically is to know if what matters to you. Like, is it for you to be healthy? Is it for you to be a person of integrity? Is it for you to be a person with a lot of energy? Is it someone can be trustful, or do you rather just be someone who achieve anything at any cost? All these are values, and from there you can create your life. And it doesn't matter, there's no right or wrong, it's just what is yours. Those values needs to be yours, not the values from your parents, from your family, from the job. They need to be yours. So to create a vision, find your value, find the goals you want to achieve, find the person you want to be, and from there on you can align some actions and get there. Ready for it? In the next video I'll explain you how to find your values. Have a good one. Ciao ciao.